Hi everyone. Um, my name is Ray Dennis or Ray Damasco, and I would like to talk about the Balisong for a little bit. Balisong is so dynamic. This is my favorite knife because uh, you don't have to open the blade. You don't have to open the blade to defend yourself. You can use um, this part of Balisong. This part. You can also use this. You can use any part of your balisong. It can serve as, let's say, your dulo or kubotan. So you can use that, and you can also use this part, to inflict the pain. And when you hit that, when you hit this part of the hand, it hurts. So you can use that as an impact weapon. You can use that to inflict pain. There's so many things you can do with it. And one thing more, you can also use this as your stake. Like all you have to do is to open, and you have this. You have the cover of the balisong that will serve as your stick or your impact weapon, like boom. So you can use that boom, boom, don't have to. So yeah, you don't have to open this, start slashing your or stabbing your opponent. You can actually use the cover as an impact weapon. There. Okay, so Balisong is very dynamic. This is a Filipino knife. Americans call it the butterfly knife. But yeah, that's it. Thank you very much.